This is an extension video to my previous Galaxy Buds Pro video where I discussed the comfort of these Galaxy Buds. Back then, I only had this Galaxy Buds Pro for about a week. Now after using it for about 3 weeks, I know what's wrong with this Galaxy Buds Pro. If you haven't watched the other previous video, follow the link appearing on the top right to watch that video before continuing on this one, so you get my full opinion on this Galaxy Buds Pro. Hi everyone, welcome to another Sky Perspective video. I've used so many different earbuds over the last few years. In terms of in-ear canal earbuds, my first pair of true wireless earbuds, the Soundcore Liberty Lite, still fits me the best. In-ear canal earbuds produce good sound quality by having ear tips that seals our ear canal in order to give it good bass and achieve both active and passive noise isolation. However, it's also because of these ear tips. Wearing them can be quite uncomfortable, especially when we are using the wrong size ear tips. These ear tips, when stuffed in our ear canal, can sometimes cause a vacuum effect in our ear. Unlike the new earbuds like Galaxy Buds Pro, my Soundcore Liberty Lite does not have any air vents. It seals so well to the extent when I walk, I can hear thumping in my ears. But if I don't walk around, this Soundcore Liberty Lite fits my ear canal so comfortably well, and I can wear them for many hours. Now, this is not the case for my Galaxy Buds Pro. There are a few reasons why my ears are painful after wearing the Galaxy Buds Pro for about half an hour. Your ear might be different from mine, so our usage experience might vary. With my ears, this is the cartilage that is painful after wearing them for about half an hour. See this part on the Galaxy Buds Pro? I realize it bulges up, and this is the part that pushes against my ear cartilage. And see the same part on the Soundcore Liberty Lite? It's a lot smaller and it doesn't bulge up like the Galaxy Buds Pro. These curved parts slips under my ear cartilage quite nicely, and I think that's the reason why they fit so well in my ears. So the next thing I tried is not to push the Galaxy Buds Pro too deep into my ears. But that didn't work either. There is not much stem to reach into my ear canal, so I have to push in deep in order to get a good seal. Speaking of stem, I realized the stem on my Soundcore is the part that makes them fit my ears so well. It extends into my ear canal without being too big, and I think this slight upward tilt helps a lot too. I don't know if you folks can see the tilt in the video. Now let's compare their speaker grills. This oval-shaped speaker grill on the Galaxy Buds Pro is bigger than the Soundcore Liberty Lite. And with the ear tips on, just look at how much bigger my ear canal will be stuffed using this Buds Pro ear tip. No wonder my ears feel uncomfortable after wearing them for more than half an hour. I think I'm gonna get the new Galaxy Buds 2, which looks smaller in size and shape, and it has a longer stem as well. Looks like Samsung knows these issues with the Galaxy Buds Pro and have improved them on the new Galaxy Buds 2. I've learned something new. When we buy our next earbuds, we should take a look at the shape of our ears and look at the shape of the earbuds, and then imagine if they will fit our ears. If I had done this before I bought my Galaxy Buds Pro, then it would have been obvious to me that the bulge will not fit and will press against my ear's cartilage. I think this Soundcore Liberty Lite will be my benchmark to help me gauge the size and shape of my earbuds I'm buying in future. If you have earbuds and existing earphones that fit your ears well, You can use that as your benchmark too. Do you have the same issues with Galaxy Buds Pro? What's the wireless earbuds that fits your ears best? Let us know in the comments down below. If you like my way of sharing my tech gear usage experience, remember to subscribe for more videos like this. Now, don't get the wrong idea. I'm not saying that these Galaxy Buds Pro are not good. Check out my previous 2 videos on the Galaxy Buds Pro and you'll know what I mean. These Buds Pro are feature-packed earbuds with great sound quality and noise cancellation. I'm kind of disappointed they don't fit my small ears. To me, comfort and fit is the most intimate part of a wearable tech gear. Hopefully they fit your ears well so you can enjoy their great sound quality. Okay, that's it for this quick extension video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!